What's up, guys? Today we have a PS5 HDMI port replacement, and by the looks of it, it looks like we're in for a surprise. I'm gonna go ahead and get my gloves on and get right into it. Alright, so the tools I'll be using today is my Ryobi hand drill, a Torx T8 security drill bit, some tweezers, a Phillips head screwdriver, some flux, some solder, and of course my HDMI port replacement. Now, before opening up the console, I did a physical inspection. I saw some brown rubbish on the outside, as well as when I first inspected the HDMI port. And typically, it's an indicator that there's some type of insect that was living here. Most of the times, it's roaches, but not all the times. But in my experience, there's always been something on the inside. So just in case, I got my gloves on. Other than that, let's get right into it.
Oh my God!
Alright, so as expected, this thing was absolutely infested with roach eggs and roaches. As you can see in the top left-hand corner, 2 of the homies were already dead. Luckily enough for me, there weren't any that were alive, so I didn't have to go slam around my desk trying to kill them. But consoles like this end up causing a roach problem in my shop because the eggs end up spreading, and there's no way for me to control that, so I consistently have to get it sprayed down. But the customer did also request that we didn't clean this console out, but in good nature, I cleaned it out as much as I could in the time that I was working on it. Other than that, let's get right into the HDMI port repair. I'm going to get this board out and get right into it. When testing the HDMI port, I ended up figuring out that the power button on this console was bad, so I got that swapped out for the customer. I also did find an extra heatsink laying around, so I threw away their cockroach-infested one and swapped it over with the new one. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get this console closed up. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.